process begins at the Bureau of Engraving and Printing with special cotton and linen paper produced with embedded security threads and watermarks.
Step 3. The process begins at the Bureau of Engraving and Printing with special cotton and linen paper produced with embedded security threads and watermarks.
Step 4. Highly skilled engravers create designs, including portraits.
The line work aligns perfectly with the overlay.
Verified. We can authorize the plate transfer.
Highly skilled engravers create detailed designs, including portraits, numbers, patterns, and fine lines that are difficult to copy.
The designs are transferred onto printing plates using advanced engraving techniques. Step 5. Advanced engraving techniques transfer the designs.
The process begins with offset printing, applying subtle background colors and intricate security patterns with specialized inks.
Step 6. First stage printing uses offset printing machines to apply the background colors and subtle patterns.
Confirmed. The registration is unacceptable. Reject this sheet.
Step 9. The final verification. After passing inspection by both machine and human experts,
Sheets are cut into individual banknotes, counted and bundled, and sent to banks for distribution into circulation.
This video is created through a human AI collaboration. The concept, storyboard, and final visuals are developed using original ideas, with high quality scenes generated using Veo 3 and refined through professional editing. All content is created from scratch as digital artwork and follows YouTube's 2026 monetization policies. We do not use reused or inauthentic content.